I'm Jamal Harewood. I've created and performed in a piece called The Privileged. It resembles a zoo enclosure, and the basic themes of it are race, identity, and the aspect of community.
Word to the wise, if at any point during your encounter the magnificent creature before your eyes begins to act in an aggressive manner towards you, it is in your best interest to leave the enclosure. I would normally provide information about the polar bear, but past encounters have led me to believe that not everyone is interested in this information. So you, as a group, have a choice.
It will start off playful, and then from then on, it's up to you and your mindset how it goes. It could go badly. You might take bad things from it. You could take good things from it, but it's very much on your experiences in life.
And now open the envelope marked number 5.
Due to being in this enclosure, Cuddles has lost the majority of his natural instincts. My team and I have taken it upon ourselves to teach him a number of games that will help him to regain those skills necessary to survive the wild. We tend to play and connect with the bear at least twice a day. Today's game is Predator and Prey.
Sorry, I'm looking right at you. My experience of the performance is very different to an audience experience because it's happening to you. It's been a roller coaster ride, and I think it will be one for you as well.